Nothing compares to running a charity. There are unique responsibilities and rules you need to comply with. So no matter what your experience, as a trustee, you may find yourself doing things for the first time. At the Charity Commission, we register and regulate charities in England and Wales. We also provide a range of support for trustees, including a 5-minute guide full of tips and advice called Reporting Information that explains what information you need to send us. Fundamental changes to your charity must be reported. For example, if the name of your charity, its governing document or its trustees change, the Charity Commission must be informed. The information you provide appears on the Register of Charities, and it's a legal requirement to ensure your entry is accurate. The Register ensures up-to-date details about your charity are available to the public, including its supporters and potential donors. Most charities need to submit an annual return to the Charity Commission. You can appoint someone else to do this, but trustees must make sure the correct information is sent to us on time. Again, the annual return is a legal requirement, but is also available to the public, giving your supporters a view of how your charity is doing. You may also need to inform us if something goes wrong at your charity. For example, if someone has been harmed, or if significant money or assets have been lost. The guide explains the need to act quickly, plan communications, inform the relevant authorities, and, crucially, to review what happened to prevent events reoccurring. You should report serious issues to the Charity Commission via our website. Our Serious Incident Guidance will help you decide when something is serious enough to report to us, but it rests with trustees to make that judgment. The guide also explains the help and advice the Charity Commission offers trustees, as well as other sources of support to help you understand and perform your role. Because when trustees are stronger, trust is greater. And wouldn't that be a fine thing to report? Take 5 minutes to read the guide and refresh your knowledge today.